The intricate world of human psychology. Understanding the human mind. Human psychology is a fascinating and complex field that seeks to understand the inner workings of the human mind. It explores the processes that shape our thoughts, emotions, behavior, and mental health. The study of psychology has evolved over the years and has made significant contributions to our understanding of human behavior. In this essay, we will explore the intricate world of human psychology and delve into some of the most important concepts and theories that have shaped our understanding of the human mind. One of the fundamental concepts in psychology is the nature versus nurture debate. This debate centers around the question of whether human behavior is shaped more by genetics or by environmental factors. Research has shown that both genetics and environmental factors play a significant role in shaping human behavior. For example, a child's genetics may predispose them to certain behaviors, but their environment may also influence whether or not those behaviors are expressed. Another important concept in psychology is the study of personality. Personality refers to the unique characteristics that make up an individual's temperament, behavior, and thought patterns. There are many different theories of personality, but one of the most influential is the five-factor model. This model proposes that personality can be divided into 5 broad dimensions: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. In addition to personality, psychology also explores the development of human behavior over the lifespan. This includes the study of childhood development, adolescence, and adulthood. Research has shown that experiences in childhood can have a profound impact on adult behavior, and that personality traits can change over time. Understanding the various stages of human development is important in helping individuals navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with each stage. Also includes the exploration of mental health and mental illness. Mental health refers to an individual's emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Mental illness, on the other hand, refers to conditions that affect an individual's thinking, mood, or behavior. Mental health and mental illness are complex topics, and there is still much that we do not understand about these conditions. However, research has shown that mental health is essential to overall health and well-being, and that there are effective treatments available for mental illnesses. One of the most important areas of psychology is the study of human cognition. Cognition refers to the mental processes involved in acquiring, processing, and using information. This includes perception, attention, memory, language, problem-solving, and decision-making. Understanding these cognitive processes is crucial for developing effective teaching methods, improving memory, and developing new technologies. Finally, psychology also explores the social aspects of human behavior. This includes the study of social influence, conformity, persuasion, and group dynamics. Social psychology has shown us how individuals are influenced by the people around them and how social factors can shape behavior. Understanding these social processes is important for creating effective social interventions and promoting social change. In conclusion, the study of human psychology is a vast and complex field that seeks to understand the inner workings of the human mind. It encompasses many different concepts and theories, including nature versus nurture, personality, development, mental health, cognition, and social behavior. Through research and exploration, psychologists have made significant contributions to our understanding of human behavior, and their work continues to shape our understanding of the world around us.